blue. Mama cat, Thursday is new. The kittens stretch and meow yoo-hoo. Papa cat, strong with fur of gray. Mama soft gold, bright as day. Kittens giggle, ready to play. Milk in bowls, warm and white. Tiny licks for such delight. They munch and slurp from morn till night. Papa cat says let's explore. Mama smiles, ventures in store. The kittens cheer and race to the door. Butterflies flutter soft and bright, colors sparkling in sunlight. The kittens chase with all their might. Spotty climbs a tree so tall. Fluffy follows, careful don't fall. Tiny waves, be careful all. Tiny meets a bird named Blue. Hello there friend, how do you do? The bird chirps back, nice to meet you too. Blue flies off into the air. Tiny runs with playful flair through tall grass and flowers fair. The garden fades, the sky turns gray. Tiny looks his friends away. His tail drips low, he's lost today. Mama cat calls, where could you be? Papa searches behind the tree. The kittens meow, come back Tiny. The night grows calm, the stars shine bright. Fireflies sparkle in gentle light. They guide Tiny through the night. He spots his home, the golden gate. Mama runs, she couldn't wait. They hug and purr, oh wasn't that great? Papa says we love to play, but don't go far or lose your way. Stay close to family every day. Fish for dinner, warm and sweet. Milk and cookies, what a treat. Tiny says adventure can't be beat. The moon smiles down from up above. Stars twinkle soft with light of love. Mama hums her gentle shove. Mama sings, my kitten small. Dream of trees and butterflies all. Tomorrow we'll play by the wall. In their dreams they fly on clouds, over cities, trees and crowds. Laughing loud, feeling proud. They slide down rainbows bright and wide. Colors swirling side by side. They shout, what a ride. The sun returns so bright and new. Mama whispers, good morning crew. Papa laughs, we've so much to do. Together they play from dawn till night. Every day's a pure delight. Love makes everything just right.